Hi children, today we are going to start our exercise 2 under chapter 2, which is going to be a fractions in the lowest term. That is, they will be giving you the fractions. So for the given fractions you have to make that fractions in a lowest term. So that can be done by dividing the numerator and denominator by the common factors. For the given numerator and denominator you will have a common factor. So you can use that common factor to make that fractions value to the lowest form. Okay, so we'll just see with an example sum. So I've took 6 by 18 as an example. So if you take 6 by 18, so I have to do the division. Okay, so which common factor I can take? There will be one or two fractions for both numerator and denominator. I can take any factor as a common factor. 6 and 18. So for the 6 and 18 you have 2 also common factor and 3 also common factor. So first I'll just take 2. So this, when you take the common factor for the both numerator and denominator, you should do that common factor which you took. You should use the division part for both numerator and denominator. Okay, so that is why this 2 I have divided with both numerator and denominator. So in 2 table, how many times 6 will come? 3 times. So here again you have to do division with 18 divided by 2. That is, in 2 table 18 how many times will come? 2 9s are 18. Right? So we have done a division with a common factor of 2 with this numerator and denominator, which is 6 and 18. So now we got the value 3 by 9. Okay, so now even you can check whether this numerator and denominator have a common factor. The numerator is 3 and the denominator is 9. So you should check whether this 3 and 9 has a common factor. That is, you have to check with any table whether this numerator and denominator will come. So if you take 2 table, 3 will not come, 9 will not come. If you take 3 table, in 3 table you will get 3 as well as 9. So 3 is a common factor for this numerator and denominator. So this 3 by 9 I am going to do division with the common factor of 3. See, first I did division with 2. I got the value of fraction 3 by 9. Again I have found the common factor for this 3 and 9, which is 3. So that common factor 3 has to be divided with the numerator and denominator. So in 3 table 3 will come 1 time. In 3 table 9 will come 3 times. So now I got 1 by 3. Okay, so now you can check whether you can have a common factor or not. That is, you have to check till you reach 1 in the numerator or denominator. So that is what you have seen here. I have written here. Divide the numerator and denominator by the common factor until only 1 is left as a common factor. That is, if you take a common factor for this 1 by 3, so 1 will come in only 1 table, this 3 will come in 3 table alone. So we don't have any other common factor except 1, because in 1 table 1 will also come, 3 will also come. So when you reach the common factor as 1, you can stop doing division. Okay, so that is, this 6 by 18 has been made to the lowest term by 1 by 3. Okay, so this is how you have to make the given fraction into the lowest term. So I'll show you one more example sum, 21 by 42. So this 21 by 42, I have to take a common factor for this 21 and 42. So this 21 and 42, you will get 42 in 2 table, but 21 you will not get in 2 table. So check with 3 table. So in 3 table I will get 21 as well as 42 I will get. So I am taking a common factor for this 21 and 42 as 3. The common factor for this numerator and denominator is 3. So that common factor has to be divided with the numerator and denominator. So divide and see. In 3 table, how many times 21 will come? 7 times. So in 3 table, 42 how many times will come? You can just check by doing division. 3 ones are 3. Minus, if you get 1, bring this to 3 fours are 12. So 14 times you will get 42. Okay. So now this 21 and 42 has been made as a 7 by 14. Okay. So now again you can check whether there will be any common factor for this 7 and 14. So this 7 and 14 will be a common factor of 7. In 7 table only we will get 7 as well as 14. Other than 7 table we will not get this 7. Only in 1 table and 7 table we will get 7. But if you take 14, in 2 table also we will get 14 and 7 table also we will get 14. But since this 7 you will get only in 7 table, I am taking a common factor as 7. So that has to be divided with both numerator and denominator. So after doing division, 7 table, 7 how many times will come? 1 time. In 7 table, 14 will come 2 times. So when you reach 1 by 2, there will be a common factor 1 only. This 1 and 2 will be a common, you will get a common factor 1 only. So I am going to stop by here. So this 21 by 42 has become 1 by 2 by making into a lowest term. Okay. So I'll just show you some more fractions. You just check and tell me. That is, you can just imagine and you can just guess it. 2 by 5. This 2 by 5 you have to make into a lowest term. For that, what you have to do? You have to find the common factor. So for this 2 and 5, which will be a common factor? 2 will come in only 2 table and 1 table. This 5 will come only in 1 table and 5 table. So there is no common factor to make this 2 by 5 into a lowest term. So that this 2 by 5 is already in the lowest term. Understood? Since this 2 by 5 has the common factor only 1. So other than 1, you don't have any other common factor. That is, 2 and 5 will not come in any common table. Except 1 table and 2 table only you will get 2, and 1 table in 5 table only you will get a 5. So when you see 1 by 2, so this is also common factor will be 1. So it is already a lowest term. 7 by 8. 7 by 8 also, 7 will come in 1 table and 7 table. 8 will come in 1 table, 2 table, 4 table and 8 table. If you see common factor, 1 is a common factor. Other than 1, you don't have common factor, so we cannot able to divide with a common factor. So 7 by 8 is already in the lowest term. 6 by 11. So 6 and 11 combinedly both numbers will not come in a common table. That is, you don't have common factor other than 1. So this is also already in a lowest term. 3 by 13. So this is also in a lowest term, because for 3 factors, if you take 1, 3 is a 2 factors. For 13, 1 table, and in 13 table, 1 only is a common factor. So already it is a lowest term. So 7 by 17. If you take this 7 by 17 also, 1 is only a common factor. So this is also already in the lowest term. So understood, children? When you find the common factor only 1, you don't want to do the division, because you have to do division only with the common factor. So when you find these kind of numbers as a fractions which is given to you, that is considered as already in a lowest term. Okay, hope you have understood. Thank you.